has silk press with Design Essentials agave and lavender line. And no, Design Essential did not sponsor this video. Okay, my boyfriend bought these products. But Design Essentials didn't want to sponsor my girl Dinah. More than welcome. So these are the 4 products we're going to be using in addition to some other styling products. But this is their shampoo. And this is their moisturizing hair bath. Ooh. This is then their moisturizing and detangling conditioner. Okay. This is their blow dry styling primer. And this basically cuts down the blow drying time. And then this is the blow dry and silk thermal protectant cream, which is going to be great for Dinah's hair because she has thicker hair, so she has, you know, you want that addedness. Before it's washed, she has lovely, luscious hair, thick hair. It's thick like a booty. So we're gonna wash her hair, and then when we come back, we're gonna detangle, part, and then start blow drying. So see you. So Dinah's gonna get a mask in her hair to add more hydration to her hair. She has 3 products inside. She has 2 Design Essentials conditioners and 1 silicone mix bamboo leave-in mask, and then I put some sweet almond oil and coconut oil on her ends and just made a mix and just have her here for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna rinse it out and then we'll start blow drying. But this is just to give her, you know, some added hydration to her hair, just because she's always having it in a protective style. So it's just to really re-nourish the hair strands already. Cosmetics. This is a thermal active, is a protectant as well, but I just like it so I can get the roots, especially because like once you start working in each quadrant with any, you know, thick hair, moisture evaporates very quickly, so you have to work quickly. her hair straightened. See? So we extended her hair, and as you can see, what we're gonna do is just trim and clean her ends once we finish flat ironing. She just needs a nice clean trim and we'll be good. So I like doing the same technique that we did for the blow dry. I part the hair in fours, and again the same concept of saturating the hair individually in its quadrants. That's my preference. Everybody has their different preference.
So how did you start learning how to blow dry hair?
I learned so I have very kinky hair, and I would hate going to the salons because they were super racist. Not racist, but they used to just be tugging at my hair. Like I felt like I was like a little zoo pet. And there would be like 2 people tugging at my hair. And it was, yes, that's how I felt, honestly. Like if we have to keep it like very honest. But they would just be tugging. And it was just too much for me. By the time I left there, I had a migraine. I don't know if that happens to anybody else, but okay guys. So in the back, what we're gonna do in order to get that nice
this one?
Yeah.
we're gonna do 2 things. First, I'm going to prime with the Sexy Hair Hot Sexy Hair Protect Me. This is a protectant spray. So I like layering my products.
Don't put it in your eyes.
I'm gonna go in with the cheese soap infusion. And you're gonna start at the ends and work your way to the roots. And I like massaging the product into the hair. Porcelain ceramic flat iron. And I'm going to use this brush to grab the hair. So of course, like the blow drying, I like catching the baby hairs first, or the kitchen first. And Dinah has requested that she wants her hair super straight, so we're going to give her what she's requesting. Where?
Stand still.